How to cancel Freetrade subscription. Follow these steps. Open the Freetrade app. Log into your account if needed. Go to the Portfolio tab. Tap on the profile icon, top right. Select Manage your plan. Tap Change your plan. Scroll down and select the basic plan. Tap Confirm to switch plans. If you have an ISA, you may need to transfer or close it first. Your plan will remain active until the current billing cycle ends. Check for any refund eligibility if on an annual plan. Contact Freetrade support via in-app chat or email if needed. Ensure your plan is successfully downgraded by checking your account settings. Thanks for watching.